In this video, I'm going to show you how to do product research for Shopify dropshipping. So let's get started. In order to do that, just click on the search bar right here and search in here for CJ Dropshipping. So you can see in here the CJ Dropshipping. So just click on that and then install the specific app in here. So in here, as you can see, since I have already installed the CJ Dropshipping, I can head over to their actual website. So once you have head over to their website, you can see this banner right here. So just scroll in this banner. Let's scroll and then swipe right here. And then you can see here that the shop top rated pick. You can also see in here the top viral gadgets. And in here you can see this get fit, get going, and all of these things that they have in promotion. So what I can recommend you to do is to head over and you can see the viral, right? In here you can see the viral. So click on this specific thing right here. So click on this, and in here, this will direct you to another page wherein you can see these things right here. So you can see in here a trending gadget in here. In this trending gadgets, you should be able to see all of these things right here. So once you know that something's trending, for sure someone will be able to buy it from your store. So that's one way of actually doing a product research. So since CJ is already integrated with this product research, you don't need to search anymore. It is actually just depending on what your buyers would like. So for example, would they like this refrigerator for layer automatic egg roller? All of these things right here, which is the Flippy Magic Wallet, this brush set, and all of these things right here that they have. So you can also make sure to add this magnetic wireless fast charger. If you want to add this, you can head over and click this icon right here, which is the list icon. So let's click on this. And then once you have clicked on this, it will open a new tab wherein you can see this thing right here. So in here, this will direct you to this product listing wherein you can custom edit it out. So you can see in here the store, and in here also the product type. So for example, let's put in here gadget. So let's add that. Then you can edit out the title, and you can also put in here on the collections, which is drop shipping. In here, you can choose which store you want to present it into, and you can also add in some tags. You can also charge in tax, and you can also see in here the variant pricing. We can change the price for this one. So for example, we can actually put this on your price in here. So as you can see, the default for me is PHP since I am on the Philippines. So for me, I'll just put in here an actual price that I can actually sell it for. So I'll sell it for 2,000 and click on OK. As you can see, it will be added right here. It goes around $35. For that, click on list it now. And after you list it, you can see that listing is in progress. You can check the status on listing right here. And you can also find more products while it is actually listing. So once it's been listed, you should be able to see it on your products on your Shopify store. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the listing process. So in here, we can also click on this on listing to see the process. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see what it looks like. So in here, as you can see, it is loading, and we can see in here right here. So in here, we have here the products that you have. And as you can see, since the remaining is 0, that means that the listing has been listed or it has failed. So as you can see, it has been listed already. So we can head over in here on our Shopify, click on orders right here or on the products as well. And on this products, as you can see, this will refresh. So we can just scroll down, and as you can see, the magnetic wireless fast charger has been added in here, and you should be able to sell it on our store. So just use the integrated data from CJ in order to do your product research. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below and subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.